Hey there, this is Joanathan and welcome to CFM Blog. Whether you need to purchase trade show displays, promotional or marketing items, or custom printed fabric products, CFM is probably a great place you can go since it provides a wide variety of fabric printing products. Ready to experience real product quality, online purchasing and direct-to-workshop printing, don't forget to take the opportunities to save some cash. Here are some tips to help you save your budget. First, special coupon offers. If you have just completed the registration and become a new member of CFM, please remember to get special coupons first before searching and exploring the site. Now we offer first order coupons, sample coupons, and special weekend coupons. Please be noted that weekend coupons are especially for orders placed over weekends. How to get the coupons? For weekend coupons, the moment you log into your account, you can get them from a pop-up page. For first order coupons and sample coupons, you need to log into your account and click the Sales Offers button at the side navigation on the right. Second, points reward. If you have been purchasing on CFM Online Store, then you can start saving up the points. You can earn 1 point for every dollar you spend on CFM Online Store. And the points can be used to redeem the discount coupons or holiday gifts at CFM Reward Points eShop. Third, free shipping for add-on products. For some small items, when purchasing alone, the shipping fee will be costly, so you can purchase them together with some other items to save the shipping fee. With the free shipping items option, you can get one product and enjoy free shipping for another product. How does it work? When you go to your cart and select the products you would like to purchase, if there is still extra space for adding a new product for your order, there will be a free shipping items add-on button, and then you can add an extra product and enjoy free shipping for this product. Fourth, become a VIP member. CFM offers the VIP program to importers. And if you have your marketing channel and distribution channel to resell our products, then you can submit your application for VIP member. To be a VIP member of CFM, you can not only enjoy VIP discounts and can also get access to a series of marketing supports like unbranded catalogs, unbranded product images, and flyers. In addition, your VIP account can be upgraded based on the monthly orders you place. For example, if you place over 30 orders but below 60 orders in a consecutive of 6 months, your account can be upgraded to a Silver VIP member. If you place over 60 orders but below 90 orders in a consecutive of 6 months, your account can be upgraded to a Gold VIP member. If you place over 90 orders in a consecutive of 6 months, your account can be upgraded to a Platinum VIP member. Note: please complete the account details and add an address to your address book in My Account before going to the VIP program page to apply. This is all for today's video. If you have any questions, just feel free to contact us.